Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to deploy a React app from GitHub to Netlify. So the first thing you need to do is make sure the app is already on GitHub. I mean, your app should be like this on GitHub. It should be pushed to a repository. If you don't know how to do it, you can Google on how to do that. Then secondly, you create a Netlify account. Make sure you create a Netlify account. So the account, you can use your email to create the accounts. Email is preferable. Then when you create an account, we can deploy now. So the first step of deployment is we have to make sure we create a /redirect file, /redirect inside of the public folder. The reason we are creating this file is to avoid a particular error in Netlify apps. So this file will avoid the error for us. So inside the file, you will type /*index.html 200 code. The next thing is to open your terminal. You can use Ctrl+J for that. Then in the terminal, we'll run npm run build. This will create a build version of your file. Netlify sites use a build version of your app to deploy your site online. So let's do that. Npm run build. You can also use yarn run build. So this will take some minutes. And okay, so the build version of our file has been created. So the next thing is to go to the Netlify site. Then what you do here is select add new site. When you create an account, you will see this dashboard. Then you come to team overview, click on add site, then import from existing projects. All right, so you can import from GitHub, GitLab, and the rest, but our main focus of today is GitHub. So when you click on GitHub, it will authorize your GitHub account. Then after it has done that, it will show all your projects, all your repository in the GitHub account. Then you select the particular project you want to deploy on Netlify. So this is the project. You click on it. Then this particular place, if you have a .env file that contains, let's say contains API keys, some other secret stuff, you can click on new variable and add them here. All right, so you can add them here. You can add as many as possible, but for this particular site, I do not have any variable or any .env file. So I'll click on deploy sites. All right, so the next thing is to come to deploy settings. Then in this build settings, you will click on edit settings. You have to change this particular code, this particular build command. You say CI equals space yarn run build, then save. If you don't change that, the app will not be deployed to Netlify. So next, you come to deploy. Click on trigger deploy sites. Then it will take some minutes for it to deploy. Let's wait. Okay, so our app has been deployed. When you notice When you scroll down, you will see that it shows Netlify build complete and there is no error. So you can click on preview to see the site. Then this is site. If you notice the URL is very long, we can change the URL like this. Go back, go to site overview, site setting, change site name. Then you can give it any name you wish. So let's see. Length square. Okay, site name taken. Okay, so you can click on it here. Then that's basically everything about deploying your React app on Netlify from GitHub.